Hey guys, it's Katie Gilmore, the Hot Mess Work at Home Mom with HotMessWHM.com, and today's quick 2-minute video is going to be all about the kits that you can offer your potential recruits. So first of all, there's of course the $99 kit that you can offer to everybody and anybody. They just go to your PWS and click join. But we also have this amazing hostess exclusive kit that you can utilize. So this is a $59 kit, and the only requirement to get this kit is that you have to have a party going in. Okay, so a party, a $200 party would get you this kit. So what do you do when you have a hostess and they are turning in their party, whether it's $200 or whether it's $500? You always want to be offering them this hostess exclusive starter kit, okay? Every single party, because they can take their host credit and put it towards this kit. Okay, so it starts off at $59, but they can get $20 off, making it $39, or they can get it completely free if they have a $500 party, and plus they'll still have a little bit left over to purchase whatever they want. But it's super important to know that even if your hostess does not want that exclusive kit, you can offer it to somebody else. So if your hostess doesn't want it, but you have a potential recruit, you've asked them to join and they're interested, but they just don't have the money or whatever, you can offer that kit to them. And so what you would do is, let's just say you have a hostess and she has a $20 or $200 party going in. Okay, so she gets $20 free. And so she picks out, $20 worth of products for her free product. And you have a potential recruit who is interested in that $59 kit. You would charge them for the $59 kit. You would change the party hostess in your workstation to the new recruit, the new join, okay? You would change it to their information, and then you would turn the party in with their information and the hostess exclusive kit added to the free and half price products. Like the little banner where you put in the free products, you would put in host exclusive kit. It will pop right up and it will send an email to your new recruit, okay? Your new recruit has to fill out that email. They have to agree to the terms of service and all that good stuff. And then when you go to turn the party in, you will pay for their $59 plus any overage that the original hostess had right like normal. Like you would check out with a normal overage on hostess freebies. So that kit is an amazing opportunity, and you should be making sure that every single time you turn in a party that you're offering that kit to not only the hostess but to anybody else on your potentials list, okay? Anybody that you think might be interested, because here's the deal, guys. If you're putting in parties, okay, and you have a $500 party going in already, you can also choose to offer them that kit for free. Or even if you have a $200 party going in, you can choose to offer them that kit for $39. Now, this is a special, so remember not to advertise it on social media. You have got to, you can put the picture of the kit and tell them to private message you and ask for the price, something like that, but you cannot post publicly that you have a free kit or something like that. So make sure you're doing all of this by private message, email, text, any kind of private conversation. However, you can offer it to them. And it's also important to remember that if you have somebody who used to be a Scentsy consultant that would like to rejoin your team, the kit that they can purchase is the same $59 kit that is the hostess exclusive kit. So if you have somebody who used to be a Scentsy consultant and it wasn't very good timing and they want to sign back up, they're not eligible to purchase another $99 kit, but they are eligible to purchase the $59 kit, and they would sign back up, and then they would do that through their workstation. Like I said, you should not be turning in a party without offering that hostess exclusive kit to anybody and everybody. If the hostess doesn't want it, offer it to somebody else. I will see you next time with some more quick tips, and have a good one.